Papumba.
Leonardo da Vinci. What toy will I play on this afternoon? Wonders Emma when she arrives at the park. She looks at the swings, the seesaw, the merry-go-round, and that slide. It's green and shiny. Something makes it special, and Emma wants to know what, so the girl goes over to it. She climbs the stairs and pushes herself down. When she goes down the slide, something magical happens. For a few moments, everything is darkness, until Emma falls. It's amazing! The magic slide has taken her to the past. The girl looks around. A large, somewhat messy room. There are books, papers, paintbrushes, paints. It's an artist's workshop. In the center of the room is a man with a long white beard, a hat, and a paintbrush in his hand. In the painting, there's a woman with her hands crossed and a slight smile. "I know that painting," says Emma. And the man is startled and almost paints a mustache on the woman in his portrait. "Excuse me, who are you?" the painter asks, confused. "Hello, sorry for interrupting you, sir. My name is Emma." "Welcome. My name is Leonardo da Vinci. This is a portrait. A man asked me to paint his wife, Elisa." "Amazing! It looks like a photo," responds Emma. "A what?" asks Leonardo da Vinci, confused. Emma smiles and remembers that this artist lived very many years ago, before cameras existed. "So you're a painter?" asks Emma. "It's difficult to say that I'm only one thing. I paint, but I'm also interested in other things. I've made all kinds of works and inventions. But do you know what else interests me? Birds. Wouldn't you like to be able to fly like a bird one day, Emma?" "Well, of course. It would be amazing," responds the girl. Emma looks at him in amazement. She has never seen such a curious man who knows so many things before. In his workshop, there are drawings of wing artifacts and something that looks like a helicopter. "This looks like a bicycle," says Emma, pointing to one of his drawings. "Bicycle what?" says the artist, puzzled. A long time ago, this man named Leonardo da Vinci had some ideas that later came true. His drawings were found with ideas that helped other people invent helicopters, parachutes, and airplanes. He also invented something that we use every day, the bicycle. Meanwhile, Emma walks around the workshop and can't stop looking at the painting. It's as if that woman was following her with her eyes. Suddenly, Leonardo da Vinci turns and looks at the girl. "Since you're here, I need your help to finish this painting." The girl walks over. "The woman is already done, but I don't know what to paint in the background. Can you think of something?" Leonardo asks her. Emma thinks. "What if you paint a lake and a forest in the back?" "Excellent idea! That's it, a forest, a lake, nature. Beautiful, I love nature. Thank you for the visit and the help, dear Emma. Do you know how to go home or do you need help?" "I have to go to the magic slide that will take me back to the park," Emma responds. "A slide? And what is that, Emma?" asks Leonardo da Vinci. "It's a very fun playground toy. It has stairs that you have to climb and then a ramp that us children slide down," Emma tells him. "How interesting, Emma. I'm going to draw a slide so I don't forget that fantastic toy." Emma, still dazzled by this artist, opens the door to the workshop, closes her eyes, and throws herself into the darkness, which she already knows will take her back to the park slide. Leonardo da Vinci was born in 1452 in a city named Vinci in Italy. At the age of 17, he joined the workshop of a prestigious artist as an apprentice. He started out washing paintbrushes and soon learned about drawing, painting, blacksmithing, sculpture, and carpentry until he became one of the most important artists and inventors in history. Curious and brave people, clever and passionate people. There are people who changed the history of the world, and Leonardo da Vinci was one of them.
Hi, listeners. We hope you enjoyed this podcast and learned something new today. Follow us on Instagram at Papumba and share with us what other stories you love to hear. See you next time.